People versus Letecia Stauch. Record should reflect the jury is not present in the courtroom. I've received a question from one of the jurors that is directed to me, and I will read it to the lawyers. You can think about a response, but it says, I have observed the defendant think it's mouthing. I have observed the defendant mouthing occasional words or physical gestures like agreeing or disagreeing. Do we ignore this behavior? My initial thought, and I've had this question come up before in various different cases, and my initial thought is to tell them that the only evidence that they are to consider is the evidence that comes from the witness stand. We don't have to answer it right away, so you can think about it or tell me what your thoughts are now.
Well, I do want to think about it more, but my initial impression is that I actually don't think that's 100% accurate. I think observations of what's happening.
Okay, Mr. Tellini?
And I'm just, again, I know, this is just off the top of my head. I know there is case law regarding like forced medication of people with insanity pleas, and part of the reasoning against it is because the observations by the jury of the defendant can be important for that determination. And so if I could just have over lunch to look at it.
Oh, yeah, no.
Because like I said, I think that observations of the defendant may be something that I don't want to issue something. I just want to do some research on that.
And I think that's fair. I've had this issue come up before with probably a half a dozen times, and because of various different behaviors of defendants at various different times. And I've not had a question about it. I did have an attorney one time ask me to give an instruction that it is something that they can consider, and I denied doing that, and I was upheld on that. But it's something to think about. I don't think it's anything that we have to give an answer to right now. So